Hi guys, welcome back to Murugami TV, the place where we empower you. Take your passion and turn it into purpose or reality. If you have ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel, but you didn't know where to start, how to begin, this video is exactly for you. Today I'm going to teach you how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Even if you have a zero experience, zero subscribers, and a fancy equipment, by the end of this video you will have the knowledge and the confidence to hit that record button and get your content to the world. So make sure you stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell. Click that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We are going to have different parts. We are starting with the part number 1. Why start a YouTube channel in 2025? Let's start with why YouTube is still one of the best platforms to be on in 2025. Over 2 billion users log into YouTube every single month. It is the second largest search engine after Google. And the best part of it, YouTube gives anyone the opportunity to build an audience, share their message, and even make money doing what they love. Whether you are passionate about teaching, entertaining, storytelling, or showcasing your skills, YouTube has a place for you, and people out there are waiting to hear your story, your voice, and your ideas. That is part number 1. Part number 2, step 1, create your YouTube channel. So here I'm going to teach you how to create your YouTube channel if you are unable to create one. The first thing you need is a YouTube channel. If you already have a Gmail account, you are halfway there. Imagine, just sign in to the YouTube, click your profile picture on the top right, and select create a channel. Now choose a channel name that reflects you or your content. Keep it simple, easy to remember, and clear. For example, Murugami TV is a direct, personal, and tells people they are going to watch videos by me. Upload a profile picture. This can be your face or a log. Then create a channel banner that looks professional. You can easily make one on Canva.com, which is free and beginners friendly. Don't forget to fill out your about section. Let people know who you are, what your channel is about, and what kind of a video they can expect from you. Part 3, step 2, plan your content. Next, let's talk about content planning. What type of videos are you going to make? Where are some examples to help you decide? I'm going to give you some examples. You're gonna decide which one you'll choose. Number 1, tutorials. Like this one I'm doing. This one is a tutorial. Tutorials where you will teach people how to do things. Number 2, vlogs. You can do vlogs, reviews, educational videos, entertainment, comedy, music, dance. And the last point, you can motivate or do motivational or inspiration videos. Pick a niche. Focus on something you are passionate about and something you can do consistently. Consistency wins on YouTube. So if you are not consistent, you cannot win on YouTube. Create a content calendar so you will always know what video you are going to make next. Aim for a latest one video per week. Yani every week do a video, especially when you are starting out. Going to part 4, step 3, equipment you need to start. What do you require to start making content? Here is the pure truth. I'm not going to lie to you guys. You don't need expensive cameras or fancy gears to start. Imagine, for me, it was not difficult. I just started with what I have. I had only my phone, and that was more than enough in 2025. You need 3 basic things for you to get started. Number 1, a smartphone. For smartphone, we are going to shoot in landscape mode for regular videos, or portrait for shorts. Number 2, the other basic need that you need for you to start, good lighting. You have to have good lighting. Natural light works, or get a simple ring light if you can. It's not a must, if you can. Number 3, clear audio. A lapel mic helps, but if you speak clearly in a quiet room, your phone mic works too. Keep your background clean and simple, and most importantly, be yourself in front of the camera. Then we have part 5, step number 4. Step number 4, part 5, we record and edit your videos. You have to record and edit your videos. Now it's time to hit that record. Don't stress about being perfect. Speak naturally, like you are talking to a friend. When recording, look at the lens, not the screen. Keep your energy high, smile and relax, okay? Yeah. After recording, move on to editing. Don't overthink this. Use free editing apps like CapCut or VN editors. They are simple and works great in your phone. Before we go to part 6, let me give you basic needs of editing, basic editing tips. Number 1, cut out mistakes and pursue or pause. Number 2, add text for the key points. Number 3, insert background music, soft and low volume. Include transitions to keep it smooth. Now let's get in part 6, step 5. Upload and optimize your videos. Once you are happy with your video, it's time to upload. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Create, Upload Video. Here is where optimization is key. Do these things. If you do these things, your video will be perfect. Number 1, write a clear, catchy title. You have to have a title. Example, how to start YouTube channel in 2025. Number 2, write a good description. Explain what the video is about and include links to your social medias. Number 3, use tags. This helps YouTube to understand what your video is about. Number 4, make a thumbnail that stands out. Use Canva to design it. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and a close-up picture for you. Don't forget to add your video to a playlist if you have one. Now we get into part 7, step 6. How to grow your channel fast in 2025. How to grow your channel fast in 2025. Here is how to grow fast. Guys, don't be worried. I got you. Here are tips that you can use to grow fast in YouTube. Number 1, we have 6 of them. So number 1, be consistent. Upload at least once a week. Number 2, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, create polls in your community tab once it unlocks. Number 3, promote on social media. Share your videos on WhatsApp groups, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Number 4, collaborate with others.